4 Kids Daily Adventure, and today we're going to make a mini parachute for action figures. Let's get started. You'll need a pair of scissors, some string, a hole puncher, tissue paper, or a coffee filter, your action figure who is your awesome stunt person. Fold it in half to get a perfect square. Not like perfect, just like close to perfect. Now we got our square. Now you get your hole puncher to punch your holes. So then you get your thing and punch a hole in each corner. Huh? It's not working. Boom, boom, boom. And this is the second hole. The third hole. The fourth. There. We still need our scissors and we need some string. Cut the string into 4 pieces. Guys, I'm gonna do it. Yay! Okay, now we're gonna put one here. One here. One here. Now, tie the string to each corner. It goes through the holes. Make sure when you tie it, don't tie it too tight or else the paper will rip it. Oops. Now, I think you tie them all together here. So now you need to get our figurine, and after you tie them all onto each corner, you tie it into one knot so they'll all stick together. Take 2 strings and tie it around the neck of the action figure. You can cut the extra 2 strings off. Snip. Now we're going to test our 2 parachutes. Let's try. Ready, set, go. I hope you enjoyed this video on making your miniature tissue paper parachute. And if you did, please give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to 4 Kids Daily Adventure. Bye!